I ain't got this fucked up yet. Cooler. Ooh, you ain't want to put that hose on there? You know how hard it's gonna be to put that hose right there? Where's the old one? Right here?
Yeah.
I mean, it would have been a lot easier to put it on with the cooler out. Don't forget you had to torque them down now. Remember, it's got to be turned the same angle. So if you put it on, make sure it's facing this way. Make sure it's facing like it's facing.
Oh yeah.
I mean, the hose, you want the clamp in this very same position you're taking it out of, but the hose need to be facing where it's gonna hook up on the other end.
You want to put it?
That's not.
What I can do is just.
Hey, you just finna cause unnecessary headache. You ain't even screwed in. I mean, it's so easy to just take it back out. Kids these days. So.
I'm just trying to, like, make it stand center.
Oh.
On one side.
Ooh, you sure got a lot. We'll find out Monday if they want to. Yeah, I won't know till Monday. All right, just roll it over here. Let's do now. Get the mounts on. We'll put it in Monday. Yeah. You got two mounts. The motor mounts one too, ain't you?
One of them is one.
Oh my God.
Yeah, one of them is one.
Let me guess, she ain't gonna want this either. She don't even want a water pump. She think we're trying to scam her. Prop the hood back up. Shit. Looking all over for these freaking reading glasses. Is that gonna hold it? We'll be ready to drop it Monday.
I'm gonna just put the engine mounts right, like sit right here.
Yeah, when you go in, of course the engine mount. Put the engine mounts on the car. Well, like I said, I'm gonna see if she wanna buy. I gotta put that on the estimate. But put it on the car. If she say no, we dropping this sucker. I can't wait no longer. Y'all see the drama we go through. Yeah, I'm bolting this up to a nag one. This was a lot easier than the 8-speed. No, you should put them on the car when we set it down, because you're gonna be able to get that.
Yeah.
Y'all thought you finna put it on the.
On the engine?
Yeah, you gotta put them on the engine. How'd you take it off? Was they still on the engine, or you couldn't have left them down there? You know how hard it is to try to guide that engine in while trying to stab that in this little bitty ass hole. Like I say, I don't know if she's gonna buy them or not. So that's why I'm not gonna set it in until Monday. So, but for the meantime, just
Yeah, just put it.
yeah. All right, we'll go here. We'll go here. Where that orange cap at? Oh.
There's another sensor in the other.
Oh. What do you mean? Oh. Huh? Oh, what you talking about? I mean, you think it's just there for the? What side is it on?
The decoration.
You sure it's on the right side? Remember, that's the front of the engine.
Yeah.
Oh, so you got the engine on the jack turned around.
Yeah, this is on the right side.
It's on the right side.
Oh, that's a sensor, yeah.
A sensor. Well, move the tire. Look, this engine is junk, so we do not have to be careful with it. Just trying to tilt it over. So. Wait, what sensor?
This one.
You know what that is?
That's the transmission sensor.
Oh, man. I mean, it's a transmission. No, that's. What does it read? The way to tell what a sensor do is to see how it's attached. What is that sensor right there? Why is it in that hole? What is it? What is its job to read what? In other words.
Oh, what is this? Oh, the oil temperature?
Oil temperature? No.
Oil cool temperature?
No. Think about it. Okay, you got a sensor right here.
It's somewhere in this area.
You know what? Normally this would read the flywheel, but this one is gonna read. Flip this engine all the way over. We're finna talk about this right now. That one's gonna read a tone wheel on. You should have flipped it the other way. All right, now we're talking about that sensor. Look again. What does that sensor read?
Oh, this is the.
Right, on some cars, this sensor will read the flywheel or flex plate.
I was just gonna say.
Yeah. So, but this one is there's a gear or there's a gear on the crankshaft. All right. So if this sensor reading a crankshaft gear, that would make this a what? A crank sensor. Yeah, a crank sensor. That's needed. You're not gonna run and start. You're not gonna start without that. Okay, so like I say, some cars this sensor will read the flywheel, but this engine is a different design.
This one reads
it's reading this gear right here, this tone wheel right here. So that sensor is crucial. It's got to come out.
I'm gonna take it out.
Look around that engine, see what else, any more orange caps on there that may be of importance. Won't be needing none of this timing stuff. Oil pump. Oh, you took the solenoid out of the. You took the solenoid out of the pump. Please don't tell me you did that because you couldn't figure out how to get the.
What?
This is the oil pump solenoid. I'm saying you took it out of the pump because you couldn't get this out.
Oh no! It's been way out after. I took this out when I took the mid cover.
Right. Normally we take it out, we leave the solenoid in it. It's cool. But I'm just saying, I'm hoping you didn't do that just because you couldn't figure out how to get this out. You can see this just press in, and then it goes through the hole.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a 10 millimeter on that boat. So what type of sensor is that?
This is a crankshaft sensor.
Crankshaft sensor because it reads the crankshaft gear. All right, the computer needs to know where top dead center is at all freaking times. That's the only way. That's one of the ways it's accomplished. Now the computer needs to know what a camshaft. This is a dual overhead cam engine, so the computer needs to know. You remember those cam sensors you pushed in the valve cover?
Oh.
That's what tells the computer the position of those camshafts. So the computer always needs to know where the crankshaft at and where the camshaft at in order to maintain timing. So. It's had a hard bottom end noise, guys. Y'all know what? If they don't want this back, we're gonna tear this down and find out which rod bearing took a dump. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. All right, 280, I think almost 300,000 miles is on this engine. Yeah, so and I decided not to mess with that cap on that other one. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. I thought I was gonna get y'all some footage of us installing it, but it don't look like that's gonna happen, so we ain't gonna worry about it. But for now, I'm gonna wrap this little video up. All right, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching.